Well, hello. It's dinner time in Camp Kent, and it's dinner inside time. I got some hot dish that I brought along, and I got some more coleslaw and some buttered bread, and I got milk, and I might have a little bit of something for dessert later. But yeah, I was gonna cook outside, but the weather, it starts to rain and then it stops and then it starts to rain, just sprinkling. So I decided I give up. And I've been waiting for my Power Axe battery to get done charging. I have a Husqvarna chainsaw. It's called a Power Axe. It's pretty nice, and I put a battery on the charger, and then I was timing it, and I went a whole 3 hours, and it just wouldn't get that last bar, so I gave up. I was too hungry. So I'm going to take this, turn it off, and dish up this. This is pina pasta. It's got some green pepper in there, like an ANHANE green pepper, and chicken, bacon, shrimp. All the best things in the world, I call it. I've been using these plastic bowls to make a better eating surface than a paper bowl. And then I don't have to wash it either. But it's very good. What else is in it? Oh, Parmesan cheese and chicken. Yeah. Yeah, all the best things. I've been chasing flies out of here, and just a little tiny mosquito flew by. Mosquitoes didn't have enough to eat this summer. They're still at it. Yeah, I was working with my game camera, but it's not good. I gotta wait, and what was the deal? I don't have a secure digital card. I've got a micro SD card, but not just a regular size card. So I got to get one of those, and then I should be good to go. I got to the point where they're authorizing it. And then I have to make sure I can get connected to Verizon for sending me pictures. When the game camera takes a picture, it'll send you. They kind of warn you about the cost of sending too many, so they ask you how many you want to send. I just said send them all. If I see something, I want to see it. If the camera sees something, I want to see it. But this doesn't bode well for packing day in the morning, but yeah. What I've done before, and I might do it again, is I lift the tarp up on the ends, and then I take down the sides, and then the rain can flow off the tarp, and then I'm underneath it. And once I lift it up, I can take the tent down. So yeah, I packed in the rain once. It wasn't fun. The worst part about it was that the mosquitoes were just hatching, and they were kind of in the biting age. I was racing to get out of there. they're growing in size every minute and hungry. But I brought water, got more than enough water. I'll need some to do the few dishes that I have. But other than that, kind of a waste. I could have skimped by with what water I had. But I wanted to go to town anyways. I had to go charge my car. Yeah. It does get easier, the packing, unpacking. I've done it quite a few times. Well, I just wanted to show you my setup inside the tent because I've never had the hot plate in the tent, and it's kind of nice. It's very versatile what you can do with the hot plate compared to a gas stove or butane stove or whatever. So I'll bring you back later for more fun at Camp Kent. Bye now.